everyone. So today we're going to check out Fashion Fidgets mermaids. I haven't checked out Fashion Fidgets before, so we'll see if I like these. So these are supposed to be mermaids. They look interesting, so we'll see what we get with these. So they have mix and match mermaid tails and different things. And there are 9 to collect, so let's hope we don't get 2 of the same. But let's open it up and see what we get. Looks like we got the boy. He's cute. He has the little clicks. And then he has the roller thing on top of his head. And then there's the tail, which is pink and blue. It's got like a cool sound to it. So that's pretty neat. I think you can put them inside the tail, can't you? I think so. I don't know how. Oh, yeah, you can put them inside the tail. I just have to figure out how. Hold on a minute. Let's see. Yeah, you can put him inside the tail. He's very cute. He's very cute, and I like the fact that it has this has a removable tail. I like that. That's very cool. So hopefully we get a different one. Oh, it says there are 18 to collect on here. Let's check this out. It's, I guess, the checklist. There's the pets. Here's the mermaids. I'm only seeing 9. But then there's the Series 2 dolls. Interesting. There's the Series 2 dolls. There's, I guess these are the Series 1 dolls. The pets. Series 2 dolls and the mermaids. Okay. Let's open up our another mermaid and hopefully we get a different one. Hopefully we don't get the same toy, the same doll in here. It'd be a bummer if we got 2 of the same. Let's open up this one. Looks like we got a different one. That's good. We got a purple tail, and it's pink in the middle. And our doll is like green and with purple hair and some pink. And the cheeks do click. And I guess these are like monkey noodles. Very cute. You can pull on them. I'm not going to pull very hard because I don't want them to come out, but they're cute. Hairstyle. And then you get the same fidgety tail that you can play with. It's cute. So this is cute. I'm going to put her inside the tail now. Alright, there we go. Very cute. So it looks like with the mermaid series, there's a couple different boys, looks like, that you can get. We got one of the boys, and it looks like there's like 3 different boys, and then there's the rest are girls. So, yeah, interesting. So there's 3 different boys, and the other ones are girls. So I guess there's 3 of each design that you can get. So, guess I may try again for the other design so I can have all 3 different designs that they made for the mermaids. But these are really cute. Very cute. I like these more than I thought I would. I wasn't sure if I was going to like the fashion fidgets, but these are really cute. And I will see you guys next time. Bye now.